slept in today. I ended up working pretty late last night and got barely any sleep. But I've got a busy day today. Lots of side hustles, lots of business, lots of work. So time to get up. I normally get up a little bit earlier. It's currently 8:30, but I normally get up around 7. But again, just because of the late night, I'm trying to focus on my sleep a little bit more. So let's go. So first little side hustle slash little bit of work to do today. I am currently heading to the mall to film 3 UGC videos. So that's basically when a business asks you to make some content in exchange for them. It doesn't get posted on your page, it gets posted on their page, and then you get paid for doing so. It's pretty good because you don't actually have to have a big following or anything. They want authentic, natural reaction. So they like to choose regular, everyday people like me. So yeah, I'm excited for this. It'll be a good time, and I'll show you some of the B-roll now. I have one more video to film. It's been taking a lot longer than I expected. It's also busy as because it's Cyber Monday today. But we're almost done. Alright, finally finished those videos. It took way longer than I expected. And in the meantime, I also had some work come up in terms of cleaning. So I was just basically had to pick up a phone call, say that I'm going to come in for a quote next week. To give a cleaning quote. And also 3 of my staff did cleans today, so I'm just making sure that the job was done well, which as always they do an amazing job. And now I do want to head to the studio. However, I'm like 45 minutes away and the traffic is horrendous as it's coming close to 5 p.m. So instead I'm going to hit the gym, and I've been recently doing a fitness challenge, so I haven't really been doing too much strength-based training. It's been more high intensity cardio training. So for today we're going to do some strength training. Let's go. Alright, I'm a little bit stupid because I didn't think that peak traffic time also means peak gym time, so barely got any content and was waiting on machines a lot of times, but did a good just overall strength workout. Definitely need to be focusing more on the gym just as life gets busy, start getting unfit, but your health is priority, so that's what I learned. I've also been focusing on my sleep a little bit more, which is great. If I, back then, even regardless of how much sleep I got, if I got 1 hour of sleep or 4 hours of sleep or whatever, I'll do everything I needed to do the next day. But now I'm just trying to prioritize sleep a little bit more, and just giving myself the extra 1 to 2 hours actually helps out quite a lot. So that's been good. Now I am off to my music studio, and which also doubles as an office for me. I'm going to be making some videos, editing some videos, and also just doing a bit of admin work here and there. So I'll see you guys at the studio. Just got to the studio. Sun's out as well, which is great. This is the studio space here. So we have a content room, floodlight, desk to work on, backdrops, and this is also a backdrop holder, so you can put a white background for photo shoots. And quick tour coming this way. That's our newspaper article. This is cool. This is from our open day, and people basically recorded in a mic what their dream is, and we embed it into the vinyl. And coming this way is one of the studio rooms, studio room B. And coming back where we came from over here, this is the living room. So we've got fridge, kitchen, table. This is the couch, slightly messy because we had a booking today. And then this is studio room A, and also where I work out of as well. So I need a new chair, but currently working out of here. So basically what I'm going to do is get some videos done, and I've got a meeting in about 15 minutes. So I'll quickly attend that meeting for the studio, talk some business, and I'll be back. Alright, just finished the meeting. That was really good. We're currently having a meeting for the studio with a funding coach to basically learn ways to monetize the studio more, and different funding and grants and applications we can apply for in order to get more money for the studio in order to make a bigger impact. So that was really helpful. But now that's done, I'm going to be working on my content. I need to edit the videos I took today from the UGC shoot and also make some content for my personal brand. So let's go. Side hustle that's going around, and all you need is ChatGPT and this program here. Alright, I just finished recording some videos. It is currently 10 p.m. So I'm going to be editing videos for about the next hour and a half, and then I'm going to head home, get some rest, as I have to come back here early tomorrow morning as I have a studio session at 10 a.m. But yeah, time to get to editing. I've been using CapCut on my phone to do all my editing. There is CapCut on the computer as well, but I've just learned on the phone, and my phone's pretty quick now, so let's get going. Okay, I just finished editing most of it. I'm gonna go home. It's currently 11:30 p.m. I need to get some sleep before tomorrow, so that's pretty much it. I'm just locking up the studio, heading out, but that's pretty much my day. A little bit boring possibly, but you know, every day's a bit different for me. It's the life of a business owner. Everything's going to be different. There might be events going on, or there might be a certain other place I have to go. Tomorrow, for example, will be a different day. But let me know if you like these kind of videos and if you want to see what I get up to. If you also have any questions about any of the side hustles I mentioned in the video, or any questions around business, just please put them in the comments and I'll be answering every single one. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and if you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe. Cheers.